Angel Channel, humbly serving you. Good day, kids! I'm Teacher Beth, teaching you today on how to read. Are you excited to learn on how to read? But before we're going to start our reading lesson for today, I have a life verse encouragement that I would like to share first. In Matthew chapter 17 verse 20, it says, "If you have faith as a mustard seed, you shall say to this mountain, move from here to there, and it shall move. Nothing shall impossible to you." God. Okay, kids, let's sit down and we will practice on how to read. Yay! We're going to start today on how to read. You may sit down properly. Good job. Very good. Ready in 1, 2, 3, and go. The oi sound in double vowels, ui and uy. Oi. Oi. Again. Oi. R. Foil. Again. You say it again. Good job. Very good. And this is a foil. Foil. Oi. Oh. Coil. You say it again. Very good. Coil. This is a coil. Coil. B. Oi. Oh. Boil. Say it again with me. B. Oi. Oh. Now it's your turn. Good job. Boil. And now you say it again. Good job. Boil. I read it first. You listen carefully. S. Oi. Oh. Come on, read with me. S. Oi. Oh. Soil. Good job. And now it's only your turn. Very good. Soil. This is a soil. Soil. Oi. Oh. Oil. Oil. Come on, say it again. Good job. Oil. Very good. Oil. This is an oil. Oil is used for cooking. K. Oi. Again. Coin. Very good. Coin. K. Oi. Now it's your turn. Good job. Amazing. These are coins. Coins. Money. J. Oi. Now it's your turn. Again, say it with me. Join. J. Oi. Join. Now it's your turn to read. Join. The other term for join is connecting or connected. Connect. Now you read it again. Very good. Join. Join. Oi. Oi. You read? Oi. B. B. Oi. Boy. Come on, read with me. Boy. B. Oi. Boy. Now it's only your turn. Boy. Very good. Good job. He is a boy. He is a boy. E, m, ch, oy, enjoy. Enjoy. Come on. It's your turn. Read with me. Ch, oy. Okay, kids. Come on. Read it. Good job. Enjoy. Enjoy every day. Come on. Read it again. Very good. Enjoy. Oy. Toy. Come on, let's do this. Oy. Toy. Now it's your turn again. You're correct. Toy. That is a toy. These are all toys. These are all toys. J. Oy. Joy. Joy. Come on. Ch. Oy. Joy. Now it's your turn to read. Wonderful! Joy! And now, let's read. Oy. Oy. Foil. Foil. Coil. Again, coil. Boil. Soil. Oil. Coin. Join. Oy. Boy. Enjoy. Enjoy. Toy. Toy. Joy. Joy. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy reading. Hope you learned today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. God bless. Stay safe. God bless. God bless. This is 2 Gel Channel, humbly serving you.